Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to make a group participant and admin in WhatsApp Web. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to give administrative privileges to a participant in your WhatsApp group. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you are an admin in the desired group chat where you want to make a participant an admin. Next, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. From the options that appear, select Group Info. Scroll down the group information page until you find the Group Settings option. Click on it to access the group settings. Within the group settings, look for the Edit Group Admins option and click on it. And click on A list of participants will appear. Check the box next to the participant you want to make an admin. Finally, click on the checkmark icon located at the bottom right corner to save the changes and make the selected participant an admin. You've successfully learned how to make a group participant an admin in WhatsApp Web. This can be useful for delegating responsibilities and managing your group effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.